What is the nation's favourite pastime? It's not shopping, or bingo, or even watching box sets. It's outdoor recreation. In fact, 3 in 4 of us love to get active outdoors regularly. All of this activity has an impact on our economy, generating wealth, creating jobs, and fostering healthier communities. We call this impact Reconomics. We spend £27 billion on outdoor recreation every year. An army of dedicated people work hard to deliver the outdoor activities we love. Getting active outdoors doesn't just make money, it saves money too, acting as a natural health service, fighting the estimated cost of physical inactivity. So let's give the great outdoors the credit it deserves. Share this video and visit reconomics.works to find out more.